After hours working in front of the monitor you start with a headache and all you think about is resting or go to take an aspirin. Aspirin, in addition to removing the headache, has other home functions that will surprise you, the miracles brought by the most popular pharmacist in the world. These tricks will save your day, you'll love aspirin forever. Take note. 1. Removes sweat stains. Those annoying white patches of fruit from the combination of sweat and deodorant will finally be eliminated. Just crush 4 aspirin pills and then dissolve in a bowl of warm water. Then place the clothes in the bowl and let it soak for 1 hour. Take off your clothes and wash them as you always do. 2. Exfoliating. You want a clean and smooth face, with no trace of dead skin. Well, with this exfoliant you will have magazine skin. You only need 2 tablets, crush and mix with a little lemon juice and the old reliable baking soda to form a homogeneous paste. Apply to the face and gently give circular massages. Let stand 20 minutes. Rinse and ready a smooth and dazzling skin in such a short time and home. Repeat process 1 every 2 weeks. 3. Exfoliating for lips. Believe it or not, your lips also require attention. Prepare a pastilla and mix with a little sugar and honey to form a paste. Apply on your lips, giving gentle massages. Rest for about 15 minutes and then rinse with water. Repeat the process every 2 weeks. 4. Apply to insect bites and stings. Control the inflammation caused by mosquito bites or bee stings by wetting your skin and rubbing an aspirin over the spot. Of course, if you are allergic to bee stings, and have difficulty breathing, develop abdominal pains, or feel nauseated following a bee sting, get medical attention at once. 5. Relaxed feet. After a long working day, your feet suffer more than another part of the body, and in many cases that manifests with dryness, calluses or cracks. However, after this treatment, your feet will rest and they will thank you with all your heart. With 4 crushed tablets, mix a little lemon juice into a paste. 6. Tone your face. Yes, your face needs a little love, so it crushes 2 aspirins and mixes with apple vinegar and forms a paste, applied to your face with gentle circular massages. Do it twice a week. 7. Goodbye dandruff. Fight those annoying white spots that are nothing more than dry skin on your scalp. Prepare 2 tablets and mix with your usual shampoo. Wash your hair as usual and let stand for 5 minutes, so rinse with plenty of water. Do it 3 times a week for 4 weeks. 8. Restore hair color. Swimming in a chlorinated pool can have a noticeable, and often unpleasing, effect on your hair coloring if you have light-colored hair. But you can usually return your hair to its former shade by dissolving 6 to 8 aspirins in a glass of warm water. Rub the solution thoroughly into your hair, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. 9. Anti-aging. You can delay those wrinkles with this paste made by aspirin. Grind 4 tablets and mix with warm water until the consistency is pasty. Apply on your face and perform gentle massages. Repeat the process 2 times a week. Truly amazing, don't you think? So simple and cheap to solve common problems with just aspirin.